crop tool in Adobe Photoshop is a highly utilized tool accessible via the C shortcut key, enabling us to crop an image to a specific ratio. For instance, changing the ratio to 16:9 format, shown in this example, involves selecting the desired ratio from the drop-down menu. An advanced feature of the crop tool is the ability to extend beyond the photo's edges. We can reposition the image within the new 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio frame, even if there are white blocks on either side.
Utilizing the AI Generate tool eliminates the need to manually add content. Simply clicking on Generate extends the image seamlessly into the widescreen format without compromising quality. Adjusting the crop area allows us to select specific parts of the image, shifting it as needed before finalizing the crop by double-clicking.
Sometimes, when using AI tools, an additional line may appear, which can be addressed by either continuing with the crop tool or switching to the marquee tool for precision. Another method of cropping involves selecting with the marquee tool and navigating to image crop from the drop-down menu. This provides an alternative approach to cropping images, complementing the use of the crop tool alongside the generative fill or expand tools in Photoshop to reshape and enhance our photographs effectively.